Mastering English phrases. Sail a boat, explained. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language: sail a boat. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases is key to sounding more like a native speaker. So, let's dive into what this phrase means and how to use it correctly. Sail a boat is a phrase that combines two concepts, sailing and a boat. To sail means to move or travel on water using sails or other means, primarily powered by wind. A boat, on the other hand, is a small vessel designed for traveling on water. When we say someone can sail a boat, we mean they have the skill to control and navigate the boat using its sails. In English, context is crucial. The phrase, sail a boat, can be used in different contexts. 1. Literal meaning, referring to the actual act of sailing. E.g., she learned to sail a boat at a young age. 2. Metaphorical use, sometimes used metaphorically to imply guiding or leading something. E.g., he had to sail the boat of his company through tough economic times. When learning this phrase, avoid these common mistakes. 1. Don't confuse with drive a boat. Driving a boat usually refers to operating a motorboat, not sailing. 2. Singular versus plural. Remember, it's sail a boat, not sails a boat. The verb form changes based on the subject. To master this phrase, try practicing with these exercises. Create sentences. Use sail a boat in different sentences. Role play. Imagine scenarios where you might use this phrase. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of sail a boat. Remember, learning English is an exciting journey, and every phrase you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language tips. Happy learning!